the Storm Teammate Tracking Center. This is a severe weather alert.
First at 5, we're tracking severe weather tonight. Storm Track Live staying active as multiple tornadoes have been reported across southwest Michigan this afternoon.
We have video for you from Chief Meteorologist Ellen Baca. First responders are reporting that a tornado touched down near 131 in the Three Rivers area and is heading northeast. The Three Rivers Fire Department reporting heavy damage in and around Three Rivers.
An earlier warning in Cass County has expired. The Cass County Sheriff has confirmed that there have been no injuries related to the storm. That's the good news. A lot of damage, though. It comes after we've already seen rain, dark skies, and lightning out there today. This is the view that many drivers on Interstate 96 in Kent County this afternoon saw when the storm started to roll in.
We do have team coverage for you tonight. We want to get straight to meteorologist Sarah Flynn right now, who's tracking the current conditions.
At least 2 confirmed touchdowns. That's what you mentioned earlier on. Still technically a tornado warning in effect, but it's moving out of our region. That's where you see this red and this purple blocks flashing just south of I-94. This tornado warning lasts until 5:30 this evening. The good news is we have stopped our continuous coverage because it is falling apart. This cell right here, less organized and less put together than the tornadic ones that were produced earlier on. Again, that touchdown in Three Rivers and perhaps a secondary touchdown north of Union City, something we'll be working to confirm as we head throughout the evening. Now, I'll take a little bit of a wider view here because we do have more showers and thunderstorms tracking through West Michigan. We have this long swath of what is going to be heavy rain with some decent lightning moving through within the next about 2 to 3 hours here. And more importantly, we do have a few more cells that are popping near and south of I-94. These are the ones that we're going to be watching most closely, because near and south of the I-94 corridor is where we've seen a lot of those ingredients come to play today. It's where we saw, of course, the tornado produced earlier on today. And with it only being about 5 o'clock, it's still quite warm, still quite muggy with those dew points out there. We certainly could see perhaps another strong thunderstorm, perhaps another tornado warning issued as we continue to head throughout the evening. What I will say about this tornado warning that we have right now, as I mentioned, continues until 5:30, doesn't have a whole lot of solid rotation with it, so a bit optimistic that we're losing some of that momentum, but something, as I mentioned, that we are going to continue to track out there. So do expect showers and thunderstorms rolling through here as we head throughout the evening, and do expect, again, some of those to be on the stronger side in terms of at least producing heavy rain and lightning. Blake, you mentioned, again, these cells off to the south definitely have perhaps the most momentum going along with it. What should we expect as we head about the next few hours?
Yeah, Sarah, the thing is, a lot of the environment is still untapped. That one cell that developed overall impacted a very small part of the area. So there's still what we call kind of a primed environment, especially across the southwest part of the state, along and south of I-94 especially. So using one of our high-resolution futurecast models shows the idea of potentially more storms trying to develop here over the next few hours. So this is 6 o'clock, showing that line moving into the Grand Rapids area. I think the severe threat up here is on the low side. But watch what happens here. There are cells along the I-94 vicinity that could develop and that will bear very close watching. This is mainly, I think, if we're going to see this, would be between the 6 and 8 p.m. window. So this is our next round that remains possible. After that passes by, we'll see some more scattered showers, and then we'll await another round that's set to arrive as we head into Saturday morning. This one is less likely to be severe. So bottom line, over the next, I would say, 3 hours or so, especially if you are south of I-96, you will want to keep a very close eye on the weather. We just saw over the last hour or so what the environment is capable of producing, and there's just a good idea to stay weather ready, stay prepared to receive those warnings should they be issued, as we have the chance of seeing additional storms developing this evening. Of course, this all comes on the wake of what happened just about an hour ago, and for that, I'm going to send it back to you, Brian and Sue.